Hey gang, welcome back to OPA'S Diecast Restoration. Today we're going to be doing the Corgi Formula 5000 race car. Before we get started though, if you like my videos, hit that subscribe button. I got lots more to come and it only gets better. So, as I said, this is the Corgi Formula 5000 race car. This one's in pretty poor condition. About 5% of its paint left. Drilled it out. Taking it all apart. That's about it. We're going to do a wheel swap on it. I'm going to put axle tubes in. Get it into our favorite stripper. Little shake for good luck. I have to tell you now that I lost certain parts of this video, including the part where I show what it looked like after the stripper and the wire wheel. But right now we're getting some primer on it. After that dried, we went to our color, a dark green metallic. Again, I apologize. I didn't get to show you the painting of the base. Here I am cutting the brass tubing for the axle tubing. Using the end of the X-Acto to clean out the burr on the end. Again, I'm sorry, but I lost footage of me prepping the axle tubes with the little groove cut through them to put the CA glue in. But here I am putting in the front one. Here's what we started with. A Corgi Formula 5000 race car. About 5% of the paint still on it. Definite need of a wheel swap. In order to do that, we had to put in axle tubes. And I think you'll like my choice of tires. and wheels. They roll a lot better when you get them off their belly. Here's what we ended up with. Green metal flake paint. I detailed the motor, detailed the driver, and that's the new wheels that were on it. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. For now, this is OPA saying goodbye.